Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 33 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing on right now is Verilog. And today we are focusing on the topic system task in Verilog. Let's get started. There are some system tasks in Verilog which will help you display some things, and these different system tasks are dollar display, dollar monitor, dollar store. You need to explain the difference between these three with an example. Again, I encourage you to write a code which uses dollar display, dollar monitor, and dollar store and explain the difference between them. Second question is, which system tasks are used to switch monitoring on and off? Explain with example. If you want to switch monitoring on and off for your signals, what system task are you going to use? Again, write a code and explain. Then we have dollar stop and dollar finish system task. You need to explain them with an example and then also explain the difference between them. What is the difference between dollar stop and dollar finish? Then we have some compiler directives in Verilog, like define and include. Explain these compiler directives again with an example and also explain the difference between them. Now we have two operators in Verilog. One is equal to and 3 times equal to. What is the difference between them? What is the sensitivity list in Verilog? Explain the commands deposit and force. We have deposit command in Verilog and we have force command. What are these commands and what is the difference between them? Then we have freeze and drive commands. Explain these commands with an example. In Verilog, you can set time scale. What is this time scale? And then I have given one time scale which is 1 nanosecond and 1 picosecond. What does this mean? Okay. So just to clarify, this one is the actual time scale and this one is the precision. That's what it means. But go through this time scale and understand it in detail, and then you will know how you can control this time scale according to your design. In Verilog, we will have variables and we will have signals. Which one of them is updated first and why? Solve these questions today, and tomorrow I'll see you for day 34 challenge. Best luck.